Let me tell you exactly why I'm never installing a developer beta on my iPhone again. At first, it sounds exciting, right? You want to try out the latest features before anyone else, but trust me, that excitement fades quickly when your battery starts draining like crazy. I have an iPhone 15 Pro with good battery health, and even then, when I installed the iOS 26 developer beta, I had to charge it twice a day, and sometimes I'd still run out of juice before bed. And battery issues? That's just the start. With developer betas, you can expect random bugs that drive you insane. For me, every time I finished a cycling workout on my Apple Watch, it kept showing on my lock screen in Dynamic Island even after I ended it. Restarting? Didn't help. Force quitting? Useless. I had to go deep into settings just to stop it. You might be thinking, but I want to try the new features. Well, here's the catch in early betas. Most of the hyped features aren't even active yet. You install the update expecting magic and end up with a sluggish phone and no new toys to play with. And don't even get me started on restoring your iPhone back to normal. It's a pain. Trust me, unless you're using a secondary device, skip the developer beta. If you're curious, wait for the public beta, at least it's more stable. So yeah, been there, done that. Never again. If you love your iPhone working smoothly, stay away from dev betas. You've been warned.